Aston Martin has returned to Formula One for the first time in over 60 years. To celebrate, Aston Martin has given us the Vantage F1 Edition. Let's get into it on mountain roads. We'll start under the bonnet. The AMG twin-turbo V8 has been bumped up to 527 horsepower or 528 horsepower, depending on if you round up or not. That's a 24 or 25 horsepower gain over the standard Vantage. Torque remains unchanged at 505 pound-feet, with peak torque being available through a wider rev range compared to the standard Vantage. 0 to 60 comes in at 3.5 seconds for the coupe and 3.6 for the Roadster. The F1 Coupe will take you up to 195 miles per hour and the Roadster 190 miles per hour. The transmission is an enhanced ZF 8-speed automatic with an electronic differential. It features an optimized torque cut during upshifts that reduces shift times. It also features more aggressive downshifts during braking. An alloy torque tube with carbon fiber propeller shaft drives the wheels. Aston Martin didn't stop its improvements at just the engine and transmission. Chassis and aerodynamic improvements have been added as well. For the chassis, Aston Martin focused on the suspension and steering. Steering feel has been improved through underbody modifications to increase front structural stiffness. Stiffer rear springs and more lateral stiffness help sharpen turn-in and increase traction. Suspension changes focused on the damper settings to increase the effective force range. Body control should be improved through high-speed compressions and over crests. A comprehensive aero kit is added to the Vantage F1 Edition as well. The aero kit includes a full-length front splitter, front dive planes, underbody turning vanes, and a new rear wing. The aero kit offers an additional 441 pounds of downforce at top speed. The rear diffuser is the same, but works with the new aero kit in delivering the improved aerodynamic performance. 21-inch tires have also been fitted to the Vantage F1 Edition, a first for the Vantage line. Pirelli specifically developed the low-profile 21-inch tires for the Vantage F1 Edition to provide greater feedback to the driver. The 21-inchers sit over the 400mm cast iron front brakes and 360mm rear brakes. Carbon ceramic units are available as an option on the F1 Coupe only. Several driving assist goodies like dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking, blind spot detection, 360-degree camera, traction control, and dynamic torque vectoring are included. The interior wears a new obsidian black leather and phantom gray Alcantara upholstery, with a choice of lime green, obsidian black, wolf gray, or spicy red contrast stripe and stitching. There is an 8-inch center stack screen and Aston Martin audio system. Integrated satellite navigation is also included. The Vantage F1 Edition takes inspiration from the new Vantage F1 safety car and will sit atop the Vantage model line. The Vantage AMR and Vantage will round out the full Vantage lineup. The Aston Martin Vantage F1 Edition should hit dealerships this summer and start about $197,000. Oh, and just so you know, so there you have it. The Aston Martin Vantage F1 Edition. If you haven't already, check out some upcoming vehicles. There are some great ones coming. I hope you'll join us again on Mountain Roads.